Installing a concrete slab involves more than just pouring it out. A lot of planning and work go under the preparation, installation, and aftercare for the concrete. Doing it right the first time will ensure that the project is as durable as you expect and lasts a long time. Less is more does not apply when it comes to deciding how much concrete you need for your project. Consider the use of the concrete slab. A thicker depth is necessary for applications where the concrete is load-bearing, like in foundations and driveways. This distinction will determine how much you need to order. Not all cement is the same. Cement is composed of water, aggregate, and Portland cement. There are 5 types of Portland cement, and you can add 7 different kinds of admixtures. All these options create different mixtures, so choose the cement that's best for your needs. Concrete forms allow the concrete to form into the right shape. They have to be installed properly to make sure the concrete does not leak, bow, and move around too much during the curing process. Once you have installed the concrete forms, reinforce them with rebars that are 3/8 or half an inch. The right proportion of water and cement is key to the integrity of your concrete slab. The ratio calculates the weight of the water and the weight of the cement to create an ideal mixture. Too much water weakens the concrete, and not enough water makes the concrete difficult to pour and spread. The most common ratio is 50, but it may vary according to uniform building codes. Concrete gets hard fast, so you need to be mindful of when you can level after pouring. You will know the concrete is ready when the water has disappeared from the surface. When the concrete reaches the top of the form, use a screed board to level it and a hand float to level particular areas. You must leave the forms in place until the concrete is dry. Removing them too soon may cause the concrete to crack, sag, and collapse, which will lead to spending more resources on labor and repairs. Keep the forms around the concrete for at least 2 days. If you are pouring concrete in an area where people will be walking, remember that grooves of texture provide greater traction for a safer grip. Add texture with a concrete broom once the surface water evaporates. This is probably the easiest concrete mistake to make because properly mixed concrete looks too dry to flow and travel properly. Don't be fooled. You should be able to form concrete into a 4-inch diameter, 4-inch tall pile if it's mixed properly. Any slopier than this, and the strength of the concrete will diminish. Although a less common problem than concrete too wet, too dry is not good either. Portland cement is the active ingredient in concrete, and cement needs sufficient moisture to cure with full strength. If traveled, a sample pile of concrete doesn't create a smooth, wet, muddy surface in 3 strokes of the trowel, your concrete is probably too dry. Thanks for watching. Until next time.